The profits that these debt collection companies are making is out of this world. There are a few debt collectors that are buying debt and they are making billions of dollars. They're actually turning pieces of paper into billions of dollars. Now, one of the biggest questions that is asked of me when I talk to clients about helping them with their debt collector lawsuits is they would say, well, what's the guarantee? And what I've started doing, which is something to really get the point across to individuals who are being sued by debt collectors, that these debt collectors are in the business. They're not in the business to play around. They are in the business of turning paper like this that has your name on it and the last 4 digits of the account number into cash money. And they're doing it by the tunes of billions of dollars every year. Billions with a B. Now, let me show you something. I had my programming team build this out for me so I can make it very clear to you on what you are facing if you're being sued by a debt collector, and to let you know what it can cost for you to help. But I want to put this in a dollar. I want to show you like a contrast, because a lot of people don't understand that, they'll just look at what we charge. Like, you charge this, why should I pay that? Well, let's look at what's guaranteed, because a lot of people want to have guarantees. Now, I'm going to start off with my first guarantee with what we offer, is that you will not get a default judgment. That you do not have to pay an attorney to do this for you, and you don't have to learn anything, and you don't have to say anything. The reason why is because the response that's created for you will do all of the talking. We do this from helping our clients over the last 6 years now, and the largest case that we've helped a client get dismissed was over $141,000. So it's tried and true. It works. Now, but let's look at the guarantees though. If you do nothing, look at this right here. If you do not respond, and I should have had my programmer put something right here. If you don't respond appropriately, we're not talking about denying things. I've seen some of these other services that are available, and they're all about denying. You go into court denying everything the way that they're telling you to do it, you're setting yourself up to have 2 people against you, the plaintiff and the judge. The judge is not going to want to be, the judge does not want to sit there and have you sitting there denying everything. The judge will listen to appropriate arguments, but the judge is not wanting to sit there having you just denying everything. So if you go into court with with no defense, or you go in there with an inadequate defense, this is what you're guaranteed to get. So if you go in there, let's just say that your case is $9,800. No, let's go lower. Let's say that your case is $4,600, and you go to court and you have no response, or you have an inadequate response. You're guaranteed to come out of there with $4,600 judgment against you that can last 20 years. If you go in there with the appropriate response, and I'll talk about how you can get that done, it would only cost you $149. So look at the difference. $4,600, $149. You don't need to say anything. It's fully formatted. All you got to do is sign and date it. That's all you got to do. What do you think about that? Let's move it up though. Let's say that you're getting sued for $9,100. It's going to cost you $249.95 to get that response created. Look at the contrast, $9,150 versus $249 with a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to help you win your case. Let's go even higher. Let's say that your case is $14,000 and It's only $349.95 to get a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to help you win your case versus a $14,000 guaranteed judgment that can last up to 20 years. Let's go even further. Let's say that your case is $23,200, $549 to have a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to help you win your case. Let's say that your case is even higher than that, $35,950, $895 versus a default judgment for $35,950, not having a defense to help you potentially win your case. Now, the next question that a lot of people ask me, Steve, why is it different? Why do you have a different amount? Why is it higher for the dollar amount that when it goes up? Why is the case it costs higher for the response? That just answered your question. Do you think that an attorney is going to put in the same amount of work for a case that is under $5,000 or $5,000, or for the type of cases they're going to put together for a case that's $35,000? Just logic gives you the answer. They're going to put more work into a case that's $35,950 or $35,000 or $100,000. They're going to put in more work in that for that type of case. Summons Master has this built in. Summons Master is not an AI product. It's just embedded with AI to help me be able to do the work a lot faster. That's all it is. So it's not something that you're going to find on ChatGPT or some other AI platform, because you're going to get a totally different answer every time you ask it for help. You need something that is tried and true, that is proven. I've been to court myself in the past for my issues that I had with debt, but also we've helped clients for the last 6 years get their cases dismissed. You can go to summonsmaster.com to see the testimonials, the actual cases. We had them send us pictures of the actual case dismissal, and we put the amount that the case was dismissed for. You can go to summonsmaster.com to see that. So all you have to do, and if you click the link below, go to Summons Master, I show you exactly how you can get your documents put together and submit your documents into Summons Master, and within minutes after it scans your documents, it will create a fully formatted response to every allegation and a defense to help you win your case. Thank you for your time for this presentation. This is Stephen A. Williams, President and founder and creator of SummonsMaster.com.